Alrighty, time for another volcano. This time we get to drive to it, and this one's in Nicaragua, called Masaya, or Masaya. And this one's unique because we get to drive right up to it. No hiking involved. But first things first, it's our friend Ellie's birthday, so time for a birthday montage.
Birthday lobsters. So today is Allie's birthday, and we are gonna be making, well, just lobsters.
Lobster birthday.
That's a lot.
That's a lot. Wow. They're ready to go. Looks good. Trying some with the steam method too. Can do a taste comparison, steamed lobsters to grilled lobsters. Woohoo! All right, today we're breaking the #1 rule of overlanding, which is never drive at night. But of course, the only way to see this amazing volcano is at night. Let's go. Biggest birthday candle. Whoa. It's cool at night, hey? It is. That's not so long ago, really, hey? April 23rd.
My birthday.
My birthday.
You?
Not my birth year, though.
201? You only 20 years old?
Thank you. Oh, look at you guys, it's bubbling right now. Check it out. Starting to get a little bit more intense now. We can see more colors. It kind of comes and goes. Now it's starting to look pretty awesome. Was Masaya volcano. After that we headed to the Pacific coast of Nicaragua and we spent some time at Popoyo, which is a surf town, and we couldn't find too many places to stay, but we did find an abandoned surf camp that let us stay for the weekend. We had a good time there, and now we are in beautiful San Juan del Sur.
And from here we cross into Costa Rica tomorrow, which wraps up our time in the C4 countries of Guatemala, El Salvador, Honduras, and Nicaragua. It was way too fast, much faster than we would have liked to have moved, but it's the way it is. We're only allowed 90 days in the C4 countries on our vehicle import permit, so we're moving on tomorrow to Costa Rica. Thank you for watching. Massive thank you to all of our supporting channel members. Couldn't do it without you guys. We just love putting these videos out a couple days earlier for you guys and getting all those positive comments right out of the gate. So thank you guys for that. Again, thanks for watching. See you next time.